How to write text on a path in Photoshop. That's what we are going to do in today's video. But first, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and also don't forget to write down below in the comments any suggestion or question that you have, and let's get started. So the default state of any text box that we create is writing the text horizontally. So let's try this in order to see. As you can see, the text is written in a horizontal way. That's the default state. What if you want this text to be moving around a rectangle or a line or a curve? Let's try it and I'm gonna tell you. And let's create a shape. Let's create a rectangle first. Let's remove the fill. Yeah. And let's create an arc. Is the pen tool. Reset, and here it is. And let's choose it to make a shape. And as you can see, the stroke is set to stuff. And it's now creating the shape for us. And here are two custom shapes, a rectangle and a custom shape. So now select the text path you want. So go to the type tool and keep moving around the path until the cursor shape changed into this curvature shape. When this happened, click, and here's the text path that we wanted. Let's try it with the rectangle. As you can see, this is the text on the path of the rectangle. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and hope it was helpful. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comment section any suggestion or question that you have, and have a nice day.